integral tan inverse root x dx. So let us do it by parts. So we can write tan inverse root x into 1 dx. So here differentiation of tan inverse is quite simple. So let us consider this as the first function, and let us consider 1 as a second function, since we know that integration of f of x into g of x dx is equal to f of x into integration of g of x dx minus integration of f dash of x into g of x f dash of x into integration of g of x dx whole dx again. So this is by parts. So let us apply here. F is equal to f of x is equal to tan inverse of x, tan inverse of root x, and g of x is equal to 1. Let's substitute here. So we have tan inverse root x into integration of 1 dx minus integration of differentiation of d by dx of tan inverse root x, and again integral of 1 dx the whole dx again. So which equals to tan inverse root x into integration of 1 dx is x. So let us write x tan inverse root x minus integral of differentiation of tan inverse root x is 1 upon root x whole square, that is x, into again by chain rule root x differentiation is 1 upon 2 root x into integration of 1 dx is x whole dx again. So we can write the next step x tan inverse x tan inverse root x minus integral of, so here this is x upon 2 root x into 1 plus x dx, or this can also be written x tan inverse x minus x can be written as root x into root x upon 2 root x of 1 plus x can be written as root x whole square dx. So let us simplify this integral, take it as I1. So let me write first I1 is equal to integration of, here root x and root x get cancelled, so root x dx upon 2 times of 1 plus root x whole square into dx, that is let us substitute, put root x is equal to t in this, so which implies 1 upon 2 root x dx is equal to dt, that is 1 upon 2t dx is equal to dt, or we can add dx is equal to, or 1 upon 2 dx is equal to t dt. So 1 upon 2 dx we can take here, 1 upon 2 dx is equal to t dt. So we can write this is integral, root x is nothing but t, dx upon 2 is t again, that is t square by 1 plus root x whole square is, that is t square dt. So this can be done by adding 1 and subtracting 1. So 1 plus t square minus 1 upon 1 plus t square minus 1 upon 1 plus t square whole dt. So which is equal to integration of 1 dt minus integration of 1 upon 1 plus t square dt. So which is equal to t minus tan inverse t plus integral constant. So here t is nothing but root x, so this can be written as root x minus tan inverse root x. Let's see, let us substitute this I1 in the given problem. So we had our integral I is equal to x tan inverse x minus of root x minus tan inverse root x and integral constant, let us write plus c here. So which equals to, so this is root x tan inverse x tan inverse root x and again plus tan inverse root x minus root x plus c, or we can take out common tan inverse root x, so we can get x plus 1 of tan inverse root x minus root x plus c is the answer. Okay, so we can go with an option. So first option is the right answer. Thank you.